now I'm going to show you how we do this cough assist, if I can do this without dropping the camera. Ready? Okay, that's not going to work. Three, 4, 5.